Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. Today is self-care Sunday. I'm just gonna show you some of the guys I do just to make myself feel amazing. You know, you have to make yourself feel good. You have to think about yourself first sometimes, and if that just happens to be beautifying yourself, then that's just what it is. If you guys have any self-care things that you do for yourself, please leave comments down below. So I am going to show you guys deep conditioning. It's just a regular little wash day. You know, I've been wearing wigs for like the past 2 weeks, so I just want to give my hair a break because my hair is going right back up for my trip. Anyways, I'll get more into detail about my trip later, you guys. But I'm using some cream of nature, acai berry, however you say it, and keratin. It smells so good. It comes out purple, you guys. It smells so good. I cannot stress that enough. Even if you just get it for the smell for your hair, you don't even have to use it as deep conditioner. It can be used as a leave-in conditioner, but I'm using this deep conditioner. The smell actually lingered in my hair. It stayed in all day. Right now I'm on day 2, so I'm not really sure, you know, but I just recommend this leave-in conditioner because it smells so good. And when I use a relaxer, I do use cream of nature relaxers because I feel like it helps my hair a lot and it doesn't damage it. So I'm just showing you guys that I parted it in 2 so to make it easier, and I put the deep conditioner in, comb my hair, and put it up in a bun. If it stays, half the time it does not stay. So I'm just gonna do the other side and I'm gonna get back to you. I know y'all probably like, what is going on with her hair? So let me put I am 3 months post relaxer. I'm trying not to get a relaxer as much as possible because I don't want any damage at all, because as you guys know, I was natural for 3 years and I decided to go back to the creamy crack. So 3 months post relaxer, that's why you see them naps. You see what I mean when I say the hair just won't stay? It won't let me be great. It's all good though, because I'm just going to put a shower cap on. That's how you do that. And I'm just going to let this sit in my hair while I do everything else that I would like to do today. So I am going to show you guys what I do for skincare. I am going to start exfoliating my face first with a scrub. It's an apricot scrub. I go over my lips as well because you should exfoliate your lips because dead skin grows every single day. Refreshed. So I just pat my face dry with a towel, cotton shirt, whatever you have. And this is my Freeman tools. I did a video earlier about a face mask, and this is another one from that same kit, and I'm just using the tool and everything. This video is not sponsored, by the way. But this mask is clear. It feels good and it smells good as well. I'm all about smell. I don't want anything on my face that smells bad. Like, I won't even be able to stomach it. So I'll just spread this mask all around. This one doesn't necessarily harden like the other masks that I showed you guys. So I just waited about 10 minutes like it says on the package, and I just rinsed that off. So after exfoliating my face with the scrub, apricot scrub, and then the mask as well feels very good, and it moisturizes your skin. I'm gonna go in with this peel off mask. None of these things are sponsored. You can just get any type of charcoal black mask, and I just put that on my cheeks and over my nose area. It helps pull up dead skin as well as blackheads, whiteheads, whatever you have. And it really makes your face feel very smooth. It feels very, very smooth. And with this mask actually does, like it says, peel off mask. So you have to wait for it to harden and you have to peel it off. But fair warning, you guys, if you have even a little piece of hair on your face, a little baby hair, something you can't even see, it will pull it. Like I'm saying, it's making your face smooth. It's pulling all the impurities and everything out of your face. So it will hurt. It did hurt me a little bit around the sides of my cheek. So I'm just giving you fair warning. You guys will see my expressions and everything. I'm pretty sure I looked bad. Now, the one thing I found that works for my face and my lips, really any body part on you, but I'm going to say specifically my face, I can be testimony to, it really clears your face and moisturizes your face. It's very thick, but it really works. I see my face every day clearing up. My husband does as well. So I really, really recommend it. And for more moisture on my lips, I put some Vaseline, petroleum jelly, whatever you want to call it, grease. I put that on my lips as well to moisturize it after it exfoliates. And after all of this, I will just come back and you guys can just watch what happens. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my self-care video. Self-care Sundays. You always make sure you take care of yourself. Especially as females, we tend to nurture and care for other people more than we do ourselves. So just take the time out today and do something for yourself. Anything. I just wanted to do a little facial skincare today to make my face feel refreshed and everything. I went and got my nails done. I usually don't go for bright colors, but this time I thought, why not? Because guess what? My anniversary is coming up, and make sure you stay tuned to find out where we are going. And also stay tuned for a husband tag, because I know you guys see me probably talk about him in a couple videos, but I'm going to get him in a video with me, you know what I'm saying? So, I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and bye guys.